Oil prices jumped 4% in the wake of a Hamas attack on Israel. This is the biggest one-day increase in oil prices since March. The attack has raised concerns about a possible escalation of tensions in the Middle East, which could disrupt oil production and shipping. The Hamas attack involved a rocket barrage on southern Israel. The attack killed at least 2 people and injured dozens more. Israel retaliated with airstrikes on Gaza, killing at least 10 people. The conflict between Israel and Hamas has been going on for years. The two sides have fought several wars, and the latest round of violence is the worst since 2014. The conflict is having a significant impact on oil prices. Oil is a global commodity, and any disruption in supply or shipping can cause prices to rise. The conflict in the Middle East is raising concerns about a possible disruption to oil production and shipping. The rise in oil prices could have a number of negative consequences for the global economy. Higher oil prices could lead to higher inflation and slower economic growth. They could also hurt consumers and businesses. The conflict between Israel and Hamas is a major concern for the global economy. The conflict is raising concerns about a possible disruption to oil production and shipping. This could lead to higher oil prices, which could have a number of negative consequences for the global economy. The conflict between Israel and Hamas is a complex and long-standing one. It has its roots in the partition of Palestine in 1948, which created the State of Israel and displaced hundreds of thousands of Palestinians. Hamas was founded in 1987 as an offshoot of the Muslim Brotherhood. It is an Islamic Sunni fundamentalist organization that seeks to establish an Islamic State in Palestine. Hamas is also a designated terrorist organization by the United States, the European Union, and Israel. The conflict between Israel and Hamas has been marked by a number of violent episodes, including the First Intifada, 1987-1993, a Palestinian uprising against Israeli occupation; the Oslo Accords, 1993, a series of peace agreements between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO; the Second Intifada, 2000-2005, another Palestinian uprising against Israeli occupation; the Gaza Strip Disengagement Plan, 2005, Israel's withdrawal of all settlers and soldiers from the Gaza Strip; the 2006 Lebanon War, a war between Israel and Hezbollah, a Lebanese Shia militant group; the 2008-2009 Gaza War, a war between Israel and Hamas; the 2012 Gaza War, another war between Israel and Hamas; the 2014 Gaza War, the most recent war between Israel and Hamas. The conflict between Israel and Hamas has had a devastating impact on the people of Palestine. The Gaza Strip is one of the most densely populated places on Earth, and it has been blockaded by Israel and Egypt since 2007. This blockade has led to a humanitarian crisis in Gaza, with widespread poverty and malnutrition. The conflict has also had a negative impact on the people of Israel. Israelis have been the target of terrorist attacks carried out by Hamas and other Palestinian groups. These attacks have killed and injured hundreds of Israelis. The conflict between Israel and Hamas is a complex and intractable one. There is no easy solution to the conflict, but it is important to understand the history of the conflict in order to find a lasting solution.